Well folks, welcome back to the workshop. This is not a repair video and it's not a collaboration video. This is just a damn good offer people should know about. Hikoki power tools, right? Check this out. As we already know, they're taking over the nail guns. There's a lot of people switching to Hikoki simply for the nailers, and now they're really incentivizing them. This offer has been on since last year, but it's coming to an end at the end of this month. So end of March, this is up, so it's well worth knowing about. If you're on the Hikoki platform, if you're looking to change, or maybe if you just have the nailers and thinking about buying a few more tools, now is the time to buy them. Check this out. They've always been good for price, but this is just absolutely crazy. Hikoki Twin Kit, €440. Round about the same sort of price as most brands for a decent drill and impactor and batteries and charger. But this is the heavy duty metal gearbox Hikoki drill. This is the DV18DC. Actually, I was sent one of these by Hikoki. I must do a teardown video on, so stay tuned to the channel. We'll do a teardown video on that. That's a collaboration one to see how good this thing actually is. But that there I already know as a cracking drill. You're getting a brilliant brushless motor drill. Multi-volt batteries, 5 amp hours. So you can use these on the 18 and the 36 volt Hikoki range. And the Hikoki triple hammer impactor, the WH18DC. That thing we've already done a teardown on, and the video is already up, and it's that good. I'm using it myself here in the workshop since. That is a cracking wee impact driver. But this kit is coming with your 2 batteries. Now this is a really good offer for 2 reasons. One, for what you're getting, but the main thing for me is the incentive. The incentive they're giving you for doing it, as you're also registering the tool. So if you buy a certain range of Hikoki tools, they have a list out of things on the offer. If you buy one of them tools, you're getting a free battery, which is very good on its own. And it's not just any battery, it's a 5 amp hour multi-volt battery. So buy a tool or a kit and you'll get a free battery with it if you register the tool. So you're not only just getting a free battery, but they're incentivizing you to register it to get your battery, but that also gives you the tool registered online with Hikoki. Most brands you get 1 year warranty, and if you register it online you get 3 years. Nobody ever registers it because it's hard to do and nobody could be bothered. You have to do it within the month. Same with Hikoki, but they give you a 3 year warranty, but if you register them you get a 5 year warranty on a lot of their tools. You get a 3 year warranty on the batteries themselves, which is just insane to be honest. Plus you've then got your tools already registered because you've registered the tools to get the battery. You've now got a 5 year warranty with it as well. So if anything goes wrong, you're covered with Hikoki. That there is absolutely unbelievable. Fantastic offer from Hikoki and well worth picking up. If you've got Hikoki tools, if you're thinking of changing or you don't know what brand to go for, these here are the most underrated brand on the market. Fantastic tools and nobody really knows about them yet. They really are up and coming. And to be honest, they're absolutely taking over the nail guns and they're included in the offer too. Here's the actual offer. That's up on the 31st of this year month. Battery 25. And these are all the tools you can get on the offer. So circular saws, recip saws, multi-tools, rotary hammers, compressors, grinders, kits, routers, staplers, nailers as well. Finish nailer, blower, lamps, impact drivers, even the oil impulse driver. That's a cracking looking wee impact. I wouldn't mind trying that one out myself. But there's loads of tools. Register, buy any one of them there and register it and you get another free battery. And I mean, let's face it, the batteries are the biggest investment in cordless tools. Once you're on one platform, you're generally sticking with it. But they are giving you a massive incentive to get on because they're giving you loads of batteries with your tools. Hikoki folks, power tools in general, fantastic. Drills and impactors, saws, can't really complain with them. They are fantastic quality. But the nailers, if you're doing any carpentry and you're buying the nailers, concrete nailer, coil nailer, first, second fix nailers, all of them, they have one for everything and they are fantastic quality and extremely repairable. That's why I recommend the Hikoki stuff. Even the nailers, if they go low on air and they start not sinking the nails, you can simply get them regassed for cheap and that's them running full power again. They give very, very little trouble and they just fire every single nail all the time. No hassle, no messing around. Like so a passenger just constantly misfiring. The nailers are just second to none. But a lot of the other tools now, they're giving you a massive incentive to change over. So if you're looking for a brand, folks, or if you're thinking of changing, or if you have some of them and you want to expand some of your tools, now's the time to do it before the end of the month and get yourself a couple of extra free batteries. That there is an absolutely brilliant offer. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. This is not a collaboration, just letting you know about this offer before it ends, because we only stock the nail guns here in the shop I work for. I don't own the shop or anything like that. I'm just working here. They only stock the nail guns, but now they're stocking drills, saws, grinders, compressors, radios. They're taking everything in now because everybody's asking for a Hikoki.